Hello my wonderful kings and queens, welcome back again to my channel. If today na your first time when you come across this my channel, I beg make you not forget to subscribe if you don't watch this video finish and hit the notification bell so that you go to get update anytime when I upload new video. Yes, the story when I bring come today now about Sophia Momodu, Mama Imande. Una know say she be one of Davido baby mama. So her story when just come out recently, and I get something when it catch my attention for inside. Now say I want shook mouth put and I want still pass the message to now. Recently now, it never reach a day or 2 days now. She can't come out. She can't put on for her handles and she can't put the something they Twitter, they different place anyway. She can't talk say one secret admirer, that is somebody when get eye for her body when she no know. Say the person put credit for her, that is he credit her account and then come put 150,000 naira say make she take fee her for or do. I don't know what he want make Sophia take and do. So Sophia now come out come talk say she appreciate her. I will put the screenshot for now make una see am. Then she come talk say she appreciate and say this one na her first time maybe say somebody don't, that is somebody get eye for a body, then he can't put such amount unknowingly for in account, then come tell and say whether she said the Sophia, whether she even still dey okay with that amount. If she dey okay or not dey okay, make it test and the person can't leave in number, but Sophia now can't cover the number. He no want make public see am. And don't be only this time because I think inside this year January she first still come and she can't talk something like this. She can't talk say somebody put credit for her credit fee her credit her, I think about 40,000 naira. She can't talk say because she just talk and come and say and she dey broke and it's not just easy for her to just recharge her card and everything like that. You just talk and come and for play. Before you know it now, somebody now when they admire her secretly now don't put 40,000 naira. She can't talk say she still appreciate this 150,000 when this guy when she no know now put for her DM. But make the person get am for mind say the thing when the guy they think, if now that one they think, say she not be person when be say she free like that, say that kind of thing not there for her mind for there. So now there be the place when it catch my attention. I can say Sophie, what is wrong with you? Kilo de kilo shele, now by force Davido is not interested anymore. One una go ask me say wetin make me at the talk like this. Yes, because the way where she take bring the thing come out is obvious say she still get eye for Davido. Okay, as the person can't put the 150,000 for your account, then can't write this thing waiting make and she can't bring the screenshot show am to the whole world, publicize and put am for her handle. The thing now if you go anywhere, the thing there for there, then you can't dey tell the guy say if now waiting they think make you just forget that thing because she not there interested. That means that Davido I still they wait for Davido. But sometimes I still they think and say this Davido now think say all these women when you don't born for now, be all these ladies when they call baby mama. I bet Davido get special automobile when he say they tie them down. Because if you look at most of them, they're there. They know they marry, they know they think of to build another family, they are just there. But for me, most of all these ladies, when they say that they born for Davido, when they say they don't want to leave Davido alone, because if you look at apart from say Davido, say na act that is na celebrity, e get one kind character when be say if to say Davido na ordinary person, no woman will even accept him for as a husband because of the way they talk and the things when they do sometimes. But because na celebrity now, every woman don't gather for there, they wait for her like ants when they gather follow sugar. Even when Davido they give them the signal, if they give them the alert say he not they interested again. You just imagine Davido dey house with another woman they call Choma and he get mind for that girl, say that girl he go marry and finally. I pray God make it work out like that. But why Sophia no one move on? Why no one move on with her life? She's still very young now. Every woman gets time when be say menopause take the hold, and so women they hold them earlier, some women they hold them late. You want tell me now say now let that one picking when Sophia born for Davido, now let that one picking now she go come born for her life investment, all because say Davido na celebrity. Most of all these women, and they think say most of them they are gold diggers. Yes, because why I talk about be say if to say this Davido himself say no be celebrity, no come from the kind background when he come from. I'm not sure so all those women for gather like ants when they for when he gather sugar, they there they wait for her. Even when they give now the signal say he not they interested again. If Sophia Momodu carry this thing on social media and put her for her handle and everywhere for the public to see, that is giving message, is giving a signal to everybody and Davido to tell and say she is still there available for you anytime when you want. Don't be jealous. I did there by the way for you. If now 100 years old, I'm still there. Sophia fit make up her mind like that. He go say no matter what, no matter the time. But before you know it, sometimes now, many women dey like that. Or apart from saying Davido na celebrity, many women still dey like that. Davido dey there, they born all children. Then you go dey there. Anybody when he be say talk to you, you no go gree give am face. Not be because say this guy now say I say Sophia must gree for her. But for the fact say she make that statement and the way she take bring the thing come and me say she no want anybody, she no get anybody for mind. He dey send message to Davido say I'm still there for you, baby. I'm still waiting for you, baby. I don't know now they get me. I don't know now they connect, now they get wetin I dey talk. Na message. Most of all these women, when they gather follow Davido, most of them now because of that fame, now I think. Because even though say somebody there now when be say na Igbenedion himself na he come now, I'm not sure say that Sophia Momodu he go agree because of that name when he attached to them because of Davido na celebrity. Because if you see most of all these women when born for this Davido now, all those their baby mama and whatever and all the rest, now because of Davido, now make people know them. Nobody know them. Let's say the truth here. Nobody know them. Now because of this Davido, now make people they hear of them. Now they can't be like indirectly, they can't be like celebrity. So with that one, they are so attached to him. Even when he tell them, Davido not go marry 100 women. If you like you born for man, not be guaranteed say that man must end up as marriage. Now you as a woman, now you prepare yourself, say now so you want to born. It's not guaranteed. You know what? I don't expect say that Davido as they look at her, because I know say even though some people don't modernize this polygamy, because even the Davido himself, he don't modernize her. One day for America, one day for here, one day for here. So that one na modern polygamy. But there is no way Davido will come marry all of them, pack them for the same house the way we have our mama they do. And if Davido even get that comment say he won't do one like that to pack all of them for the same, that is for that palace, or be for that a kingdom, a house. All these women they're ready. Don't joke with Nigerian women. They are ready to stay there together. If you like that they fight, say what's the way the survivor of the defeated. They go, most women they go do and they're ready. I mean they tell now. So Sophia Momodu should take care of herself, work on her life, give anybody when you know say it they when she like they might give her a chance. Because somebody when put 150,000 for your DM, that person means say not be person will be a beg food they chop. Not be only when man get money, not be woman go they run for one. But the man go they okay and the man go still get wetin they do. Many things they want qualities they want be say woman go say he won't settle down with this man. Give women give men chance. You only there Davido go just they waste your time. They crawl around to any woman when you want. Then you there for there, you they admire Davido secretly. Why another person they admire you secretly? Make una just see Sophia. Make una look that woman. Now lady when he not fine. So what he can't do when he can't talk say if not be Davido. It doesn't work out. If you not work out, move on, go your own. Davido don't move on, don't go your own. Leave Davido alone. I don't get anything against Sophia. Or maybe some people no misquote me here, or maybe people don't think I'm bad. So Sophia, when the time come, it get many things when Davido do at that time when they go Ghana. I support her well. My own I be say the thing when it not good, I they talk my own who her. I know they say because say this one I too like her. It do something when not good. And for her own good and for the sake of her daughter. And that girl don't they grow. Imagine you there they wait for Davido. Even though say not tell Davido say they wait for her, it's all written all over the wall. Say now Davido now she still get eye for. Because when they bring this thing come out, they show her for public everywhere. They tell Davido, I'm still there, I'm still waiting for you. No fear. No man will fit come in. And Davido as they see all these things, now he go they impressed. He go they feel they say now he be king. So I don't know how I see the matter or my people now. The way I just say now, I just see throw for inside. So just leave your comment below at the comment section. So if you think say waiting I talk, say now lie or you not agree, just leave your comment at the comment section. Because for me, I advise Sophia to move on for life. Because when woman young and she still fine, even though say she's senior Davido, but she's still young. When woman young, he go select the kind man when he wants for his life. But when woman time don't go well, he will accept any man when he come in life. She not get option again. So I know want make that kind of thing happen to Sophia. And I make this my own video. I don't talk my own finish. So my people, now here I go round up my video. I hope to see you guys on my next video. I beg, if you never subscribe to this my channel, I beg make you not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you go to get message anytime I just upload new video. Now you go be the first person, you know, if they miss my gist. And again, I want to use this opportunity thank people when you don't subscribe to this my channel. God will bless you and they appreciate you now every time. So my people, now here I go round up today. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.